Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will gonna be unboxing these Maddog auxiliary lights. This is the Maddog Rage performance auxiliary light. I got this from Bikester Global and it has 11,600 raw lumens, 5,000 to 5,700 warm white automotive grade LED and 18 months of warranty, which was the main reason to buy this because there were many other options also like the HJG, which was a cheaper one, but there was no warranty there, and so I was not sure about their build quality. Maybe they are good. You guys can let me know in the comments. And then this is IP67 dust and water resistant, pure polyester coating, anti-glare lens optics, and something like on axis intensity some amount, I'm not sure what it is. And then the light is 180-degree wide flood and 380 meters of hypershoot. So definitely this would be having a good visibility at night. So also I bought this dimmer because these lights are actually very powerful and I don't want the traffic to be disturbed. So this dimmer will actually reduce the intensity of the lights. It has 4 levels, 25, 50, 75 and 100. There is microprocessor control intelligent dimming, and this also has 18 months of warranty. This came for 4,000 rupees, but the plus is we have the harness inside this, so we don't have to purchase the wiring harness separately. It's in the box, so we save some money there, but yeah, still it's costly. And then we have the lighting mount, that is like the standard one. I'll be mounting it on the crash guard of my Super Meteor. Okay, so let's unbox this first. And when we unbox this, we have some stickers, Maddog stickers, and then this, I guess these are the nuts and screws that would be used. Okay, this has one key ring also. Okay, but there is no ring here, it's just a hole. And then we have as I expected, these nuts and screws. Yeah, okay, let's keep this aside for a while and go to the main event. This is the light. This is a big one, guys. This is the heat sink, and I guess this would heat a lot because it's a 9 LED setup. And yeah, and we have this okay, this is coupler to coupler. We don't need to cut any wires, which is good for our warranty. See, we have this socket, just plug and play. We'll create a video for that also, the installation video. We have 2 units. This is the one, and this is the clamp in which this will be mounted, like this. Okay, so we will mount it like this, and then this will be mounted on the mounts that I have purchased. Yeah, so yeah, let's keep this aside. This is the first unit, and the second one is here. This is the second one. This is similar kind of thing. Let's keep it in the box for now, and then we will look into this afterwards. Then let's check this dimmer. This dimmer has this switch with this harness. So this switch has plus and minus buttons, and this is, I guess, the on off button. I'm not sure, but when we will install, we'll get to know. See, this is the plus minus switch, which will be used for controlling the intensity of the lights, right? Okay. And it's rubberized, looks premium. And if you can see this spacing there, we have a light, red light, which here it will look cool when we will lit up. It looks cool. Yeah, I know this. Like, this is the LED light here and this bottom one. Okay, let's keep this aside. And then we have the harness here and some mounting. Yeah, so switch mounts, these are like the switching mounts. So in the handle we will be mounting the switch, and we will be using these mounts for that. And then this is the harness. Let's check this harness also. Okay, so this is the fuse box, this is the battery connector, and then this is the harness. This is braided, which is nice. And then we have these two outlets for each fog light one, and then this one is for the ignition switch, which we will see in the next video when we will be installing it. Okay, then what we have the next. And is there anything else in the box? Yeah, we have some rubber clips, we can say. So these are to set the wiring harness properly, because the wires would be messy there, so a lot of wires. So we can just simply use these to make it cleaner. Then we have these light mounts. Okay, these are the rubber pads and some screws, and here is the mount. We have two sets, and like this. So we will be mounting it on the leg guard, and we will be having this rubber pads in between these spacing, so that it doesn't scratch the leg guard. And then we will use this like this, and if you see this here will be the mounting of actual fog light, right? This goes like something like this. Yes, and this. So it is like this, and it is a long hole because we can adjust it forward, backward, whatever we like, and like this also, so that we can adjust it according to the visibility that we need and the road situations. Okay, then let's keep them inside, and we have one more thing to unbox. Okay, let's keep this aside for now. Then yeah, these are the blinds. These are kind of filters that will be useful while riding. These are the blank filters. These will be used to just put it on them as a protective cover, basically used on the daytime. So whenever in the daytime we are driving, we don't need any fog lights, we can just simply put these. This will be a protection also on the fog lights, because you don't know, when you are riding you can get hit from a stone or something like that. So these would be a good protection. And also like if you are riding in the daytime, these are essential ones to keep these lights safe. And then these are the transparent filters. These are for the night situations and also act as a protective cover. So in the night, if we are driving and we have to use the fog lights, we can use these filters on them first, because the same reason, like it is a protection also for the fog lights, it's a shield. And then yeah, this will reduce the intensity of the lights a little bit, but that's like you won't be noticing that much. It's not noticeable. Then these are the yellow filters. These are like majorly used on the foggy situations, foggy areas where we are having fog. These filters will be essential for that, because yellow light cuts the fog, right? So yeah, these are those filters. And what I am planning is, like, I will carry these in my tank bag always. According to the situation, I can like adjust it. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe, like and share my channel, and stay tuned for the next installation video coming soon. Thank you, guys.